goes aside from my soul.
We back at it again at Graffiti Pier, the abandoned pier, whatever you want to call it. I'm BMX Louie, of course. This is my boy Ant. We got Serge vlogging. Oh yeah. And it's freaking windy. Windy as hell. Let's get this though. Let's get it. We got Chris and Wilmer in there. They went ahead. I don't know why, but we out there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Damn. That's nice. Let's go.
What?
Let's go. I want you to relive that clip you sent me on the chat.
Are you serious?
Yes, you could do it. That was like last year, but you could still do it.
Oh man, that is. So I go like this. I go down here, but my bike flies from under me.
Damn!
Slide just like this. One. Through all this, bro. And that's how I got this whole scar right here. This huge ass scar. Just
with
going.
the NY scar, bro?
Yeah, the scar. When I fell, I got a tattoo tatted, and I was scared.
We back here. Don't tell me they left already. Yeah, how the hell they go up there that fast? They got two bikes.
One is a ninja and one is Dominican.
Bruv, we back in Graffiti Pier. Everybody wanted me to come back, and now I'm back. The boost. Like I said, bro, it's gonna get dark by the time we get here. Told you.
Still take pictures up there, it's fine.
This is the second vlog in a row where it's in the dark.
Why would you do that? Where's my orthopedic? We need that yellow shower. Stop tugging into my ankles. We none of us shower.
Abandoned Pier.
Yes, sir. Listen, I said we ain't abandoned pier. We about to get queer. Riding up bikes on the pier. About to do one a dangerous jump. About to get killed in this bitch because behind the shit. Hey, that ain't shit but a new adventure in this bitch. Louis vlogging me rapping on some dumb shit. I don't know what I'm saying, but I gotta hop this shit.
What?
You won't let me go home until I do.
There it is. Now it's light.
Oh shit.
Look at that.
Is that my ex?
So that dude over there, he jumped from this gap right here to the gap that's right there. And so I'm gonna get him to do it again because that was sick. Like, he sent it to me. I was gonna ask him for the clip so I could put it in the vlog when I came here, but I'm gonna get him to redo it because he's here. Why not? It was from here. He did that. He came all the way here and jumped. Went all the way here and jumped onto here. On the camera, it doesn't look like a big gap, but as you can see, it's a long way down. It's a long way down, so.
I am the one that's in.
Where's these people at? I told you they didn't come up here.
The bottle flip.
Oh. Didn't break.
We're back, boys. Yo, bro, it's windy. I don't even know if you can hear me. I gotta scream. You gonna get it?
This is something.
You gonna get it, bro?
I need to take a picture.
You gotta get it. Yeah, he took it off the shirt. He ain't gonna get it.
Yo, you know what would be tough right here?
What?
Taking some tough ass pictures.
Y'all don't understand. A lot of things can go wrong.
Nigga.
One, I can go fast enough and I go over the edge and there's no way stopping because there's nothing but gravel. Two, I jump too early and I fall in that fucking 60-foot ditch and you die. And I what? Die. Thank you for the pep talk. And then like fourth or third. I mean fourth or third. The third thing, my orthopedics are not on. I'm like, bro.
with my bike right now.
Got my orthopedics on today.
You got it, bro. That's it. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the fans. Come on, bro. Yo! Yes, he did it again.
That was so bad. That was,
You say you want to redo?
I wanna
How you want to
that
redo
was
it?
fucking horrible, man.
Bro! Now we got the photographers out. Let's get it. Do it for the fans. Yeah! Hit the thumbs up for him.
Just to remind y'all that just look. Give me a rock. Dead.
Give me that. Give me that.
Where do you jump?
I
What spot do you aim for?
my best spot. You not
Search.
gonna just you gotta sauce me.
Like right here?
I usually try to jump right here,
Alright.
but the goal always was to get the highest spot. Cause like anybody can jump this for real.
Right.
Anyways, I get this shot for you guys.
Moment of silence for Hunter as he gets ready. That was sick. He did this 7 years ago. Not 7, what? I said 7 years ago. I mean a year and 7 days ago. And now he relived or what do you call it? Faced his fears again because he didn't want to do it.
This bitch ass nigga told me to do it
For the vlog.
for the vlog.
Where is Kristen Wilmer?
I don't know, but I saw like people.
Yeah, I want to explore like real shit because the last time I went up here with the vlog, it was in this same spot. So I want to go explore. Yeah, exactly. I want to go over there.
Let's go down there then.
Let's go adventure. Like I'm not gonna keep you on the same spot. Let's go.
Matt, what the hell, man?
See everybody be here, bro.
That shit didn't even make it around.
Yo, Hunter.
Well, shoot
Are you ticklish?
no.
Everybody be here. Look, you got it.
You know what would be sick, bro?
What?
Ride and just dip into the joint. Some right here.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, snap. Yeah, put some on.
What?
Bro, you look like a demon right now. This squad heavy today.
We're staying here.
Squad question mark.
Exploring though.
Are we out?
Let's go. Explore.
Where?
That's where we're going.
We're gonna go in the dark. And lay the
And lay the pipe.
in L the dark.
That's a great thing.
Oh, you can't see nothing right now. It's dark. This is the only time where it's okay that it's dark today. Because we're exploring.
Stay low.
What the fuck?
Yo.
I got a net in my mouth.
Ah, you just spit all over me.
Oh, my fault, bro.
You know if you go all what? Alabama.
No. Oh, that would be dirty, bro. You gotta show.
pegs.
You gotta show. Hold up, you gotta show. What we about to do?
About it, you mean? We got some of these. We got.
Look at that. I'm just taking it out to show them. Look at that.
These are ass, but you know.
Bro, those are still lit.
That should be like Jackass.
Yo, this vlog's about to be lit. Let's go.
Let's go.
As it get close, just
Zoom in there, bro.
It's not. Now, how you gonna light it?
Come on, see?
Oh, 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 whoa.
That's not ass though. It's ass though. Yo, man, fuck this shit, dog.
What it do? That's all it does?
That's a dud.
it's Aki.
I think it might explode. That's a higher effort.
Why is this sound like music from
Bro, hold on. It's about to explode.
Ain't all y'all bikes here.
Fuck.
What the? Oh shit!
Bro! It hit him! It hit him! Bro, fuck out of here! Oh shit! Oh! Yo, it hit you in the foot. I think I got it. I'm not sure. It hit him in the fucking foot.
What the fuck was that? Yo, my nigga kicked that shit. Yo, put him on my head. I had my head. Shit, bro, hit. Oh shit.
What does that do, bro? Oh! Never. Oh, he trying to mix it.
On my shirt?
Yeah, because it wouldn't focus.
Maybe put the fisheye on, you know?
No.
No fisheye? What the fuck?
None.
None. Wait. Oh shit.
Bro, I thought that was a freaking
I was
firework.
about to start dipping. Okay.
Bro, what if I was like,
Nothing. I did that to my
Bro,
brother once.
move my bike, yo. Hold up.
what's going on?
Oh.
Yo.
That shit sound like a table.
Don't that shit sound like back? Yo, don't that shit sound like backfire off a car?
Is it on?
Nah, we're good. I'm gonna sit on it next time.
Bro, that was ass. Come on, don't waste
You blow your ass up. I blow my ass up. That ass. Like on toilet when you take dump.
it.
Oh, fuck me harder.
Yo! Hey, that was in the water. Yo.
One of the linemen from the fucking Eagle.
Yeah.
Definitely with your hand, bro. Come here. Come here.
That was cool.
That's just some. There you go.
What's on my neck?
Throw it!
Oh, it nigga.
I had the whole. I didn't know you were doing
Launch
that.
this shit straight up in the air. This shit better be like.
Huh?
I was checking if it was on fire.
Yo.
Oh, I pulled the fuse out of that one.
Fue que estaba en especial, que vino con el culo. Cuando veo ese chapón,
They're drowning with this nigga.
She kicked me out on my bro.
Hey, you said no fucking dick. Hey, she kicked me out of life, bro. Okay. My bitch don't wanna be friends. Hey, I give her dick, she like that. Hey, she put a 10 on my dick.
Hey.
Something.
Hey,
Fuck
fuck everybody in the
Look
boot.
at me. Come here, bird. I got a Uzi.
Who, him? Ready, Hunter? You know it?
Yeah.
He knows it. Wilmer.
I put a wipe in the store. Fuck. That little bitch got a throat. Fuck.
Go, why you not?
I need more bitch like a bitch. Slit. Hey. Oh, shit. Don't want your pussy just one. Hey. Don't want your pussy just one. Hey. Fuck on me. Look at me.
What the fuck? Yo, they go.
Straight monster.
What the fuck? Yo. Yo. Bro. What are you doing? Yo. We're back. Oh, this is like the perfect spot. You can't see nothing but. Wait.
Turn the speaker off.
Oh! Yo! It blew up!
Bro, next time just throw it. You just gotta throw it next time.
Bro, put it in the bottle so it
Yeah.
comes straight out.
You gotta toss it over there.
Bro, we just like
Throw it!
Throw it!
Granada!
That was a shot.
Boom!
Damn.
You see the water just.
I'll be scared, bro.
Alright, that thing tends to not go straight, so.
Shoo! The wind, bro. The wind is taking it. Bro, you fucking idiot! He threw it up in the air. Yo.
What the fuck? Look at how many he has.
Oh yeah, baby. They all $1. Give me it. You my mans. Yo. I did that one thing for you that one day. Yo, what you be saying, Louis? You okay, Mike?
Are you alright, Mike?
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
That's him. He says that shit. That's him. Ant be saying that.
Are you sure?
Are you sure, man? Oh, you don't want to massage me? Are you sure, man? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Give me that fresh Mexican borderline fam.
Quick, clean up real quick, fam. Give me the fresher than the Mexican borderline, fam. Come here real quick. Zigzag on your man.
Hi. You got a boat and that nigga probably white. Hey, pop hey, sucking dick like a dyke.
Hey,
bitch on the football. Hey, bitch call me Lil Bo. Hey, they call me Hannah. Hey, I'm in the money. Hey, they call me Bunny. Hey, I be fucking. Hey, let me check my bitch. Hey, she be sucking my dick. Hey, let me pass it to Louis. Hey, Louis, here, take it. He said, Louis, take it here.
I don't rap. Oh yeah, you said that.
That shit was funny as shit
on the vlog. You better not be on that toilet.
You better not be on that toilet. You better not be drowning. Skip a little bit of it.
No, you gotta go slower. You gotta go slower.
This is not the vlog.
No, it's not. It's not the end.
Shut the fuck up. Yes, it is. We killed a baby. Baby fish. You be alright.
Never.
Yo, light him right now.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas that shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's wet gas, bitch, nigga. I come pack with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun that I changed straight from the dog shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. No stats in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Call me. I'm calling. Shit. Yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no plot. Fuck a wet brand, no top, no spot. Chase all day to the thoughts in the back. With my niggas fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk, boy, with your fake ass stick. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shit, catch, nigga. Last time when I talked to a man, well, shit. Run quick, slash for the neck, nigga. No, I gotta make it.
Goddamn, you told you guys. She's not gonna be here. You know, excuse me, sir. Did you just say something about my penis?
No.
Oh. Let me tell you something, sir. That goddamn orange hair you got right here, sir. About them gay as shit.
Oh.
And you, sir.
Smell good though.
You, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Why were you out here screaming, sir?
I don't know.
I need someone with glasses that can take a look. You know?
I have no more orthopedics.
You don't have no orthopedics.
No, sir. Oh, shit. You know you gotta have him down here, bro.
Tell you this, sir.
Hey, I'm 22.
Oh. He's already about to stay, yeah. That guy's over there just doing some dumb shit, man. God damn it.
Your glasses fucking bright. Chose killing.
Bro.
Chris, no, you gotta go higher.
Tell you something right now.
You gotta go higher. You gotta buckle up.
Tell you something right now, yo.
You gotta be up here, bro. No.
Alright,
He there. Alright, I'm about to see your dick, so if put that down a little bit more.
no, it's not coming out. So you good.
No, because it was like look. Wait. That's your shit.
22nd, bro. We should all just be like simple shit clowns.
Clown video?
Why not? We could be the oddballs.
We are the oddballs already.
No, we'll buy
Even
masks and we'll wear them. Like my Deadpool mask.
That'd be lit.
I said, I wanna kill.
I said,
In a will and me
I
to
said-
the edge. All my friends are dead.
No.
Is somebody like my shirt?
We made it out. We made it out, boys. Yeah. Now I don't even know where we're going. Let's explore. Little session.
Hop over the tires. Straight to the tires. Yeah.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. As you can see, we had a lot of fun last night and I just forgot to do an outro, but doing it today. I wanted to give an announcement. I was supposed to do it the other day, but you know, it didn't work out like that. So me and the team, Simple Shit team, is gonna do a giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers. So if you want to be a part of that, if you want to get a chance to win the giveaway, I don't know what it is yet. The Simple Team owner knows what it is, but he don't want to tell me. He says it's a surprise. So if you want to enter, all you have to do is just share my channel. That's all. Just go on Instagram, share the channel, tag me in it, and whoever I see that's doing the most will get the surprise giveaway. And it might be like more than one. It could be 2 or 3 of them. It don't matter. But I might throw in something special too. Let's just say I have a white frame. So if anybody's interested in a white frame, I'll just give it out to the person that, you know, who's sharing me the most and is giving me the most support. So do that for me, guys, and I'll give it back. I'm telling you, I'm only growing. So once I get bigger, I have more things to give away, more things to thank y'all with, and you know, better prizes. For right now, it's something small, but as I get bigger, the prizes will get bigger. And by the way, I don't think I'm gonna ride today because, as you can see, it's drizzling at the moment and it's supposed to be raining all day, and I came to work with my bike. You can see the raindrops. Yeah, the rain is real. So as always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, everything. If I see you in the streets, I will give you a cookie. Peace.
Still checking if the place